I'm on the bottom, and he's making an approach. As he approaches, I roll back and I go to the very top of the guard. Okay. My guard though, because of my legs being as bad as they are, I can't get hooked in behind me. I just drop the foot. Now, until you have absolute and total control of the opponent, it's impossible for him to choke you. Folks don't believe it. He's up there. Sure, he can choke you. Choke. Go ahead. As long as my left foot is on top of his leg, he can't choke it because he does not have 100% control of my body. He can't get the leverage to choke. This opens doors for him. As he attempts to do the choke, I can raise, check him with this, raise it, come over,
Ooh.
and now I just want to match.